Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to extract zip file in Hostinger. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, log into your Hostinger account. Open your web browser and head over to hostinger.com. Once you're on the home page, click the Login button and enter your account credentials. After logging in, inside the H panel, look for the Websites section. Here, simply go and click on Dashboard next to your website name. Once you are on Dashboard section, navigate to left-hand side to find Files tab. Under the Files category, click on File Manager. This built-in tool is great because it allows you to manage your server files directly without the need for additional FTP software. Now move to your target directory. If you're uploading files for your main website, you'll typically need to go to the public HTML folder. This is the root folder where your main website files are stored. Make sure you are in the correct directory before uploading to avoid confusion later. Next, upload your zip file. At the top of the File Manager, click the Upload Files button. This will open a dialog box where you can browse and select the zip file from your computer. Once you've chosen the file, the upload process will begin. Once the upload is complete, you'll see the file appear in your target directory. The final step is to extract the zip file. Locate your uploaded zip file in the File Manager, then right-click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Extract. You'll be asked to confirm the extraction location. Once you do that, click Extract, and Hostinger will automatically extract all the contents of the zip file into that directory. And that's it. So that is how you can extract zip file in Hostinger. So that's all for this video. Thanks.